Hello. Welcome to the Cypress Test Automation tutorial. Cypress is a front-end testing framework for modern web which is nicely designed to address some pain points in automation testing. Cypress is very fast, flexible, easy debugging and more reliable. Let's talk more about Cypress on the go. In this video we are going to talk about how to install Cypress and create a project from the scratch. Please like and subscribe this video if you like to receive more videos like this. We are going to talk about the features and lot of nice and powerful things in Cypress throughout this tutorial. Let's start from installing Cypress. Please make sure to have Node.js installed in your computer already. Open your favorite terminal and let's create a folder using the command mkdir. My project name would be Cypress Project. You can give any. Then navigate to the created folder using cd command. Before we install Cypress, let's initiate a Node project. You do not need to know much about Node and NPM for this tutorial, but having the knowledge about Node and NPM and JavaScript will be really helpful. I am going to create some tutorials about those stuff in near future, keep in touch. So to initiate a project use the command npm init. Then follow the instructions and provide the information to create your project. If you feel you need a help, just follow the video. Then you can use ls or dir command to check the file listing in the folder and you will see a file called package.json. Use cat command to view the content of the file. Just go to the folder and open the file if you are using Windows. Package.json file has all the information about your project which quite similar to POM file in a Maven project. It includes information about your project, dependencies, plugins, scripts you are going to execute and so on. Now it is time to install Cypress. Use command npm install cypress --save -dev to install Cypress locally. Then Cypress will start installing. When we use the command npm install to install a node package, it update the package.json file to include the dependency you just added. In this case it will updated the Cypress dependency. If you use ls command now, you can see it creates a folder called node_modules which include all the required node library modules and a file called packagelock.json. Use cat command to view the package.json file and you can see Cypress has been included in the dependencies section. View the packagelock.json file too. It shows the exact dependency tree, including transitive dependencies. But do not worry too much about that file since it is auto-generated. But still we are expecting something. That is the project structure. But Cypress provides us the project structure which helps to save a lot of time. Let's try to add one line to scripts section in package.json. I use vi command here, but you can open the file and edit it. OK, execute vi package.json. Press I to change to insert mode. Go to scripts section and enter after test command. Let's say the new command is open and type open $, open brackets npm bin, close bracket, / Cypress, space open. To save the file, press escape and type WQ! view and verify the changes. Then let's execute the command we added. Type npm run open and see it opens the Cypress test runner. Since we do not have tests yet, the Cypress test runner shows only examples. The tests will be loaded here once we add them. But it is really useful to check these sample tests, which explains you how to use Cypress by examples. Just click on a sample test and then it will start running. Cypress will start the browser and run step by step, and easily we can see which step is running and the result. Especially you can time travel and see what happened in the previous steps, which is really awesome. So make sure to play around with these examples. But there are a lot more to discuss. To finish this video, let's see the project structure made by Cypress. Go to the terminal and use the command tree to see the tree view of the project structure, or go to the folder explorer. Type tree Cypress. The Cypress project has special sections like fixtures, integration, support and so on. In a nutshell, fixtures section is to keep data, integration section is to keep tests. Okay, that is it for the moment. Please subscribe and like this channel if you like to see more nice videos about Cypress. So, see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.